The annual general meeting of the Nigerian Medical Association Delta State Chapter (NMA) has been held in Sapele town. It was a gathering of top medical personnel as they came together in unison to converse on how to make their profession better and improve upon relationship between the health working sector. Over 400 doctors from 30 zones in Delta State participated in the meeting, with Dr. Nurse Emmanuel Osai, the Delta State Medical Association chairman, on ground to oversee proceedings. The executive governor of Delta State, Senator Dr. Ato Ifeanyi Okowa, was ably represented by Professor Onome Ogwe, the chief medical director of Delta State University Teaching Hospital, Desut Ogara. The week-long AGM saw the association carry out free medical outreach in Ijere Kingdom and also paid a courtesy visits to the palace of both the Ijere monarch and that of the Oroji of Okpe Kingdom. Some of the doctors who spoke expressed satisfaction at the massive turnout of doctors from over 30 zones in Delta State, as the attendance was unprecedented, with over 400 doctors registering across the state, citing that such numbers will encourage togetherness of doctors to intercross ideas that will bring good health care to the entire state.
Yeah, thank you very much. First and foremost, we need to thank God for the fair weather, which is one of our expectations. The other expectation was that we invited all doctors in the state to come to Sapele for this very important program. I would say that our expectations have been met in that regard, because in fact people that turn up, they are more than the people we expected. So we are excited that the program is going on well. This is the hallmark of the event, the opening ceremony. Like you can see, it's well attended by all doctors from all the zones in the state, and the representative of the governor was also here. So it's a success, huge success, I can say.
I'm standing in for the governor of Delta State. His Excellency Governor Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa has been excellent in the area of healthcare. If you remember, he was a senator, and as a senator, he brought in the healthcare bill that became an act in this country. It is that act that has ensured that we have healthcare insurance in the country today. And Delta State was one of the very first states that started the Delta State Contributing Health Commission, which is really and truly, in today's world, especially in a depressed economy, having that kind of health insurance scheme is really the thing you can do to significantly reduce the cost of healthcare and make healthcare affordable. It has been extremely effective, because it is the one thing in Delta State, for instance, we have the highest enrollment into the scheme. But the truth must be that it is really still at a beginning stage. There are loads more that can be done. And I know, knowing the governor, His Excellency Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, his goal for this scheme is that it will get to a stage where for every single Delta will get the health care they need when they need it, without even having to think about paying for it. That's the aim of the Delta State Contributing Health Insurance Scheme, and that's the best thing you can really do as a state to reduce the cost of health care.
It's been a nice time so far. Today is our day 3 of the AGM. Okay, the first day we had our medical outreach in Jesse. We visited 3 different communities and were able to give medical care to well over 500 people. Okay, then yesterday we had a visit to the Oroji of Okpe. Today is the opening ceremony and an opportunity for us to learn more about our profession. The attendance this year has been unprecedented. Much more than 400 doctors registered to attend this conference. You can see the attendance. It's not easy to pull doctors out from the hospitals, but this year we all decided to come together and, as much as possible, make an impact in the health and the welfare, in the health of the populace in Delta State and the welfare of doctors at large.
In Sapele, you're watching Rero TV, and my name is Rero Henry Boss.